All right, here we're back to this pages section. Again, once you log into the Shannon Lake, you come to the dashboard, then you just go, normally this is closed like that, but then you just click on pages, and it'll bring up all your pages. So now I'm going to show you how to upload to the document, HOA meetings, and the newsletter. These are all files that the users can download. So I'm going to go ahead and click on HOA minutes. First, actually, I'm just going to go, hold on, give me a second, go back. I'm going to use this calendar section again, just to show you. I'm going to hit preview. Again, there's nothing there. So I'm going to upload a document here. So back again, this is word processing. When we upload these documents, you don't have to worry about typing anything here. So the main thing we're going to worry about is these little icons up here. You want to go to the very far right, there's a little arrow. And if you just hover over, it says add download. So you're going to click on that. The window's going to open. Now it's very important to name your files according to what they are. I have a file here on the desktop that I called it meeting.pdf, and this is not an actual HOA meeting, but I just made something quick. But I'm simulating is, if you had to upload an HOA meeting file. So when this window come up, important thing, you always have to name it. So again, whatever naming format you come up with, that'll be fine. But it's good to always add the date. Let's do 6 dash, whenever the date was, 2011. You don't have to add a description, leave that blank. Other thing is, like, you just follow the little red spot, the name, then come over here where it says upload file, choose file, desktop, there's a meeting file, choose, it puts it there, then you come all the way down here, and where it says categories, it wants to know what kind of file are you uploading, what category is this file falling into. So being that I said it was an HOA minute, I click that. Then you come all the way here. Don't worry about none of this stuff. This is all automated, so you can skip all these things and come all the way to the bottom and click on Save New Download. Then after you do that, another window should come up right here, and insert the new download into post, and it says insert into post using what format. And what this pretty much tells the backend software is what icon to display next to it. So I'm going to do the HOA MIN, which is the HOA minute. I'm going to click that, and then I'm going to hit insert into post. So now I get this funky code. So if I'm going to hit preview, go back to my page here, there it is. It put the HOA meeting download icon and the name. So let me actually go here and reset all this here. Paragraph. Not that I think that really matters, but let me see. Just bring that back to normal so you see it. So it does matter. It does change the size of this font if you want to change it. Seems like if I go ahead and make this a different size. It's something I'm just discovering right now, so bear with me. Let it update, still updating. It's taking a little while. Okay, I don't know what that's taking too long there. Preview chances. Yeah, it does change the size. So I would just make sure this is some paragraph like that. So pretty much that's the file, and that's how easy it is to update a file. So I'm going to go ahead and insert another file as if I was uploading multiple pages. So you always go to the end, click return, insert, meeting 4 dash, let's actually change it to 5 dash 6 dash 2011. Again, this is the naming convention you come up with, or use what we have already. Then go here, upload file. I'm just going to choose the same file again. Choose, come down here, and I'm gonna, instead of doing a meeting, actually I'm gonna do just a doc. So I'm just going to select document, come all the way down, save new download. I want it to be a document, insert into post. So it created this little code. I'm going to preview change. Just to give you an idea, see, it changed the icon because that's what I have set up. All the doc icons, the document icons is the PDF icons, all the HOA meetings is the arrows, and all the newsletters you get your little sticky note. So that's how simple it is to add and update these pages. So I'm going to highlight those. I'm going to hit delete, preview the changes, just make sure I'm back to normal. Okay, that's fine. Now I'm going to show you, go back to pages, I'm going to show you HOA meetings. These are all the files that we have right now. This is the oldest and the newest is down here. I'm going to hit preview and that shows you all the files. See how I have them named? HOA meeting minutes all the way down to the newest one. So to make things easy, if you want, you can always go to the last one, highlight it. I do Command C copy. So that's only to get the name, so I don't have to type it up again, but you can type it again if you want. So I want to insert a new file, which is probably what you're going to do. You probably have updates to this, so you'll come to the very end of the post. See, when you come in here, I'm going to go back out. I might be doing this a little bit too fast, but HOA meeting. You get all these files. You want to scroll all the way down to the last one. Click at the end. Make sure it's always at the end. Then hit return. Then you want to hit insert. I paste that name on there. So 2011, let's say. That's what it is. Then I'm going to choose the file. Come here. It's an HOA meeting minutes. I scroll all the way down. Save new download. This page come up. Insert into post with what feature, what format, HOA minutes. Insert, and there it is. It's just posted. Preview changes. I always like previewing changes before I update, just in case you make a mistake. You can make the change, preview it again, and once it is the way you like, then hit update. So I'll come here. If you go all the way to the bottom, there's the 2011, and when the customers click on that, it starts to download automatically. So I'm going to go ahead and delete this. Hit preview. Make sure my files are back to normal, and that's it. Now I'm going to hit update. So that's how simple it is to add to the document section. So this all makes, these are pretty much clear to understand. If you look at all the links up here, home, business, image gallery, newsletter, they're all here. These are all the same things. So if you want to edit map of the area, you can just come and hit map of the area, and that shows the map that I inserted from the other site, and there's a link right there. So pretty much straightforward of what all these pages are. Again, if I were you, I urge you to practice on the calendar page, because there's nothing on that page and you really can't break it. So practice there, hit preview, look at it, practice, hit preview, look at it, and just do different things. Type and just get a feel of how all these buttons work. All right. Stay away from this HTML. This is code. Stay away from all this stuff over here. Everything's set up right, so you shouldn't worry about none of that. So the only thing is this main section, and all these other things, don't worry about it. Just pages. Later on, if you want to add new sections to the site, like add another link here or remove a link, let me know. I'll have to show you how to do that, because it gets into creating new pages here and I have to format it and all that. So if you ever need to do that, just contact me and I'll either do it or I'll explain to you how to do it. All right. So I think it's fairly straightforward. So if you have any issues, I guess give me a call. But that's it.